Hi, yeah, in last video we have created this screen. Actually, we have a form, and when we are adding this one, it will be reflected in the list. So this is how we did in a real-time database last time. So now you can see here after saving the data, we are just adding we are just reflecting what is that, refreshing the data by ourselves. So now we are going to show you I'm going to show you how to, without doing this, how we can do the live update from realm in shift. Okay, so for that I'm going to add the same property, but we have to add with observable result. Okay, observable result, and we have to add the class name dot self. Okay, where item list. Okay, so I think this is if you added this, what it will happen, the class will be open for results, and it will have all the data of that particular this collection. So this collection will be open for to you to use in this particular page. Okay, so we can use it in this side classes also. We will see that one also in this room. Okay, so let's start it. I'll just giving this list. We have a list over down, right? So instead of that list, I'm giving this list. Okay, so I just saved it, and I'll stop this one. I'll run again, then we'll see it is binding the data in the list or not. So if it is binding, we'll move on, otherwise we'll figure out and check the issues. Okay, so you can find out here it is actually having, and I am going to add lasers. Okay, age 29, save. So I saved it, but it got 3 times. So we have some issues with this. I don't know why it is reflecting the item. Let's see. So when we are adding this one, this is a text field, text dot name, gender, age. So this one we are adding, saving here. So but if without, we don't have this, we don't need this one actually. Without, instead of saving this one, we can do it like that is a list, right? We can append directly to that list with our data. Okay, so this is the list. So where is the star item list? Where is it? Item list dot append. So we can append the value directly. Okay, um okay, so I can append notes. So this is a dummy notes. First we can add it, name, gender, age. Okay, so if we added like this, it will automatically add it, so we don't want to do anything different. And here there is a button to get all result for this one. These are all filters actually. I think last time we did as a filter. So I'm just going to comment these things. Okay, so I'm just going to comment these things. Let it go for that, and delete, right? So we have a delete over here in the list. Image dot delete, item dot get delete. So we don't want to do like this delete actually. So we can do as a, it's a list, right? We can remove the delete thing. Okay, so I'm going to remove it like remove, and the object is item. Okay, so we don't need this. Okay, let's run and I'll check. Wait, it will reflect. Okay, there is no error for now. Let's stop the process and run it. Let's see once again how it is having. Let's see that laser is added or not also in the video. Okay, last time I added the laser is added, so I got center. Okay, so this time we'll see. We'll try. I'm going to delete this one. Okay, okay, see, it is removed from the list. So if I closed and if I stopped and rerun, it will be deleted. Let's see. I'm going to stop this and I'm going to rerun. So if I'm rerunning, wait for the results. see the thing is not here. Okay, so we can edit delete whatever we are doing, it will be in a real time. So just will limbs should be young, this should be 30. Okay, save. Okay, so now it is saved actually. So in one some other place we are doing some reflection somewhere something we are doing. Let's see once again. Okay, that's why this data is changing. Okay, here we'll delete this. And mostly we don't need any of these functions actually. Last time we did delete functions, edit functions, save data and get all data, filter functions, all those things. There's nothing we need for now, because we already this whole page is observed by the list. Okay, so that you can use this is a just like a variable, you can directly use it inside your class. Okay, this is what. So I'll just stop it. And you can, if you can pause this one into your sub view or something like that. Okay, if you want to see like that. Let's see one more struct. So I'll just create one more struct like struct type note item. It's a view. It's okay. So in this body I'm going to add something like the same thing. I'm just going to this same thing, right? The hashtag, we have a hashtag, the same hashtag. I'm just copy and paste it over here. So okay, so in here when we are receiving this item from another struct or some another observable object, we have to add the same thing, observable. What is that? Oh, spelling is wrong or what? Observable realm object, this one. Okay, observable realm object where item is that note. Okay, notes. Okay, so now the item is notes. So I am removing this, deleting this item. So but the thing is I can't do it here actually. Okay, so because the delete item function also we don't have. Okay, this is delete item function we doesn't need. Same time we have to add a callback. Okay, so the callback should be state on delete. Okay, 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 on delete. This I'm going to send the item. Okay, this item over here, and the item means this node should be over here. Okay, node is the one parameter. I'm just doing this one, and we will add this one over here in the hashtag. Instead of a step, I'm going to note item. Okay, item should be this item. This delete should be this one. Okay, item in items. Okay, note in. Okay, here I can delete that one. Okay, item list dot remove this object. Okay, so now you can see I am pausing. What is this? Glossary. Okay, okay, okay. So now you can see I am pausing the very item, one item from the realm list to the another struct, another struct list. Like that same thing you can pause to another page, another screen, like that. Another completely different struct without any child item also we can pause it and do it like that. Okay, so let's run again and I'll just show you how to do it. Okay, so we have these things. So when I will see delete is working or not. Yeah, delete is working. 1 gender male 12 save. So it's saved, right? Okay, it's great. I think this will be good for you people. I think you guys understand. Let's see more about the realm and how we can process, how we can handle the realm data throughout the application in next video.